In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add authentication in Lovable with Supabase. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Lovable website. This is your starting point where you'll manage all your projects and settings. Once you're on the site, you'll need to select your project. This is an essential step because it ensures that any changes you make, including adding authentication, are applied only to the specific project you are currently working on. So go ahead and find your project on the list and give it a click. Next, we need to navigate to the settings area. You'll find this under the File drop-down menu in Lovable. The settings are where you can fine-tune various aspects of your project, and in today's case, it's where we'll be focusing on linking Supabase for authentication purposes. This transition is crucial as the settings serve as the bridge between your project and the functionalities you wish to integrate. Now look for the Supabase option within the settings. Supabase is what we'll use to manage authentication, and many developers prefer it due to its simple integration process and robust set of features. Once you find Supabase, select it to move forward with the integration. You'll see an option to connect Supabase. Click on Connect, and this will start the process of linking your Lovable project to Supabase. This connection is pivotal because Supabase will handle the user authentication for your project, ensuring that only authorized users can access certain features within your app. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Supabase account. Enter your credentials here. Logging in will authenticate you as the project owner, which is a necessary step to authorize Lovable to use your Supabase account for managing authentication. After you've logged in, look for the prompt that asks you to authorize Lovable. By authorizing Lovable, you are permitting it to communicate with Supabase on your behalf. This is the final step to securely integrating authentication capabilities into your project. Once you authorize, Lovable and Supabase will be linked. Now your project is set up to handle user authentication through Supabase. The setup provides a seamless and secure way to manage who can log in and access your app, ensuring a safer environment for both developers and users. And that's it. You have successfully added authentication to your Lovable project using Supabase. This integration enhances the security of your project while keeping the process straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore the documentation or seek community support. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!